milky white kind of a consistency, but consistency, consistence, consistence, contestants. Oh my god, what is happening with my English? Hi my lovely people, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing fine, and in this video I'm going to share all of the primers that I also gonna let you know what each primer does, and who can use it, what type of skin and what type of skin concerns can use these primers. I hope you find this video helpful. I feel primer is the foundation of your entire makeup. Without rambling much, let's quickly dive into the video. Guys, I have these many primers. I didn't even realize up until today when I tried to pull out all the primers. I have these many primers. Most of the primers I don't regret buying it, and I use all of them. So let's quickly, without random order, let's begin with the video. The first primer that I'm going to talk about, this is from Swiss Beauty. This is a highlighting primer. This is the Real Makeup Base highlighting primer, and I am in the shade a natural tint. I think this is the OG variant, and now I think they have two more shades in this, if I'm not wrong. 32 ml quantity, and I've used one entire bottle in the past, and I've repurchased this. और ये भी मैंने अभी इतना use किया है. You guys can see. Love the packaging. So one is unfortunately not for your traveling because it's a glass bottle. I love this primer, you guys. No matter how many primers that I have tried, the strobing creams that I've tried, but I always end up going back to this one. This makes your skin so glowy, so flawless. Your makeup kind of glides on you so beautifully. Makhan jaisa your foundation glides on it. I think this primer is something that anyone can use, be it oily combination or dry skin people will love this primer to bits, but oily skin people can definitely, obviously, will be using a matte foundation on top. You'll be obviously setting it, so your makeup is gonna look glowy, but still it's gonna not look oily. This in conjunction with an extremely dewy foundation can be a little too much for a combination oily skin people, but obviously you wouldn't choose a foundation like that for you. For dry skin people, this is gonna look so beautiful. Give you a swatch. This does come in a beautiful pump packaging. Looks white initially, but ये इतनी अच्छी से इस पे मेल्ट, स्किन पे मेल्ट हो जाता है, you guys. And the shimmer particles are not chunky whatsoever. बहुत अच्छे से स्किन में घुल हो जाता है. In real time you can see. एक बार इसको लगाने के बाद 2-3 मिनट छोड़ दो, उसके बाद you go ahead with your foundation. Then this gets completely absorbed. The skin looks so radiant, and you guys can see the glow. At initial, if you come very close, you might see shimmer particles, but once it's on your face and once you apply your foundation, you don't see any shimmer particle whatsoever, and your makeup looks so glowy. It does not exaggerate your texture. As someone who is dry skin, you can only use this primer alone. You don't need to use a silicone based primer, because this, along with the glowy dewy base, it also has this smoothing property, because of which it can smoothen your pores as well. You can see, like, अभी ये पूरा absorb हो चुका है, and फाउंडेशन इस पे बहुत अच्छे से जाएगा. It will also give a dewy glowy base along with smoothing your texture and your pores. So this one is all in one kind of a primer. I think everyone should try it. It's not expensive. This one is for 429, but at Amazon offer पे ये हमेशा 325 300 पे मिलता है, and for that price it is totally worth it. Swiss Beauty did what no other brands used to do at that time, and when this got launched, this was said to be a dupe of Max Strobe cream, and I feel this is even better than the Max Strobe cream. I have used Max Strobe cream in the past. It is good, but I think this one is better than the Max Strobe cream. For anyone who have used this, you definitely can resonate with what I'm saying. Let me know in the comment section how many of you tried this primer out. So that's my first pick, and it's a total hit. If I have to rate it, I would rate a solid 5 on 5 for this primer. Then moving on to the cult favorite, this is the Mars Gripping Primer. This is gone viral in 2024, and how? And it's for a reason. This is said to be a dupe of ELF Power Grip Primer, and this is a Mars Gripping Primer. You guys know how much I love this primer. I have stopped carrying any other primers for my traveling, I only carry this primer. And whenever I have a long day and I want my makeup to last longer, and this is the only primer that I gravitate towards. This has become my recent favorite, recent as in like 3-4 mahine. Towards the end of 2024 I started using it, and I have traveled with this as well. This makes your makeup so long lasting. Any skin family, any skin concern you have, I think you need to get your hands on this primer, because this is the only primer which makes your makeup last long. Among all the primers that I'm going to show you today, and among all the primers that I've tried personally in my entire life, this one is the one that makes my makeup last long so much. Like the entire day your makeup lasts long. 8 hours मैंने इसको लगाया, 10 hours तक मैंने makeup लगाया this. Because of this primer I could see visible longevity of my makeup. This has a tacky consistency. I have spoken a lot about this primer, not gonna rave. It comes with a beautiful pump packaging as well, not gonna waste it. ये थोड़ा glue जैसा दिखता है, जो बचपन में हम लोग ने गोंद बोलते थे. It does look like गोंद exactly. It has that kind of a consistency, and it is sticky AF as well. That is what probably makes the makeup last long, because your foundation just grips onto it. Amazing primer, guys. Again, it's not expensive. It is for 349 rupees under offer. You can definitely get it below 300. और इसको मैं बहुत cautiously use कर रही हूँ. It's not something that I use for my makeup videos and daily videos. I just use it when I have a special occasion, because this does go out of stock. This product is something that launched way back from Mass Cosmetics, but it just went out of stock, and they never restocked it for over a year. And then again, after Elf primer became viral, they again relaunched it, and now it is so viral. People are going gaga over it, and for a reason. So this one, if I have to rate it again, I would rate it 5 on 5. Moving on, moving on to the next favorite primer. I think I just realized I'm going from my most favorite to least favorite, but yeah, next is my ultimate favorite primer for day-to-day purpose, day-to-day usage, and for all my oily skillies out there. This is the primer from Nykaa. This is the Prep Me Up face primer. This is a silicone based primer. If you belong to a oily skin or a combination skin, you can totally relate to me that a silicone based primer is a must for us oily skin, combination skin people. And also for someone who has a lot of texture going on, or who have large pores. Even if you're dry skin family and have like, your concern is around the T-zone, you have like large pores around the nose, I think silicone based primer is one of the must to have in your makeup stash. This is a silicone based primer, and I don't know how many tubes of this primer that I have used already. I think this one must be 3/3 a tube or something. And since the time it's launched, I have been like on and off using this primer. I used to use this, finish it, and then go back to something else, again come back to this primer. So same thing happened in 2024 as well. I again went back and repurchased this one. और ये भी almost हो चुका है. I also have a smaller tube of this one, the 7-gram variant, which I like to carry for my traveling purpose. This is a basic silicone primer, yeah, which is gonna mattifying effect on your T-zone. I use it for my T-zone. It makes your T-zone so smooth, and it kind of fills in your pores. It gives the appearance of smaller pores. You cannot shrink your pores, but you can just make them smaller by using certain products. This primer again makes your makeup last long. These sort of primers kind of work as a barrier between your skin and the makeup. So basically this is adding a protective barrier between your skin and your makeup, so that your makeup does not like penetrate into your pores and clog your pores. So using a silicone based primer is very important, at least for someone who is acne prone skin. I think using a silicone based primer is must, otherwise you can clog your pores very quickly. This is something that I use on everyday basis, even for my work. I don't apply makeup, but in summers though I definitely use it. That kind of makes my sweat and oil at bay as well. And it also acts as a protective layer, so that my pores don't get clogged. So yeah, this, if you are on the lookout for a silicone based primer, I think this one is very affordable. At an affordable price, it works so beautiful. This again, if I have to rate it, I would rate 4.8, 4.9 out of 5 for sure. Then while we are at the silicone primer, I think I'll cover one more primer. This is from the Mars Cosmetics. This is Pure Cure primer, and this is 30 ml quantity, and again this is very inexpensive. This is also a silicone based primer. I say now, I always need one silicone based primer in my makeup stash, and once I run out of it, I always go and grab this Nika primer. So this is almost over. बहुत कम बचा, I can see against the light, बहुत ही कम बचा है. This is also very nice base primer, but I feel this is a little drying. Oh my god, कितना ही smooth हो गया ये. It is a tad bit mattifying than this one. So if you are dry skin person and you're looking for silicone based primer only for your T-zone, I would say you can, sorry, I would say you can definitely go ahead with the Nika primer. But if you guys are an oily skin person, you can totally go ahead with this primer because it's tad bit mattifying than the Nika primer. Dry skin people के लिए थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो जाएगा. And cling on to the dry patches and make the skin look more drying for dry skin people. If I have to rate it, I would rate a solid 4, 4.2 out of 5 because this works pretty good for my no pilling. Whatever products that I have shown you up until now, कोई भी product में pilling नहीं होता है. Makeup glides on so beautifully on all of the primers that I've showed. This one, this one, this one and this one. अभी तक जो भी primers मैंने दिखाया है किसी में भी pilling नहीं होता है. That's the reason I'm like giving 5 for all of them. Moving on to the next primer is from Mars Cosmetics. Again, this is a Take a Glow illuminating primer. So I think these are the two illuminating primers in my makeup stash, and I purchased this only because I needed an illuminating primer for the travel purpose also, because I couldn't have traveled with this. So this is a illuminating primer just like that, works just like that, but I would say this has a little bit of visible shimmer particles. Again, after foundation कुछ खास समझ में नहीं आता, but if you come up very close you can see minute shimmer particles. Not something that I would hate. I do travel with it और मैंने इसको इतना use भी करा है. This also comes with a beautiful packaging. I am in the shade Moon Glow. I think they do have two shades. Again, I picked up a shade which would suit for someone who is fair skin tone, but nevertheless I don't know why I do that. But this is something that would suit very beautiful on fairer skin tone complexion than the deeper skin complexion. You can see it's slightly silverish, but it works pretty good क्योंकि इसके ऊपर तो आपका foundation लगाना ही है. Makeup glides on so beautifully. But if you see as compared to the Swiss Beauty one up close, you can see a little bit of shimmer particles, but nevertheless is very beautiful. Again, it makes your makeup so dewy, glowy and everything. So again, dry skin people can use this primer as well, but this particular shade is gonna look good for fairer skin tone. So if I have to rate it, I would rate again a 4.5 out of 5. I'm just canceling a few points because of the shimmer particles, otherwise it's pretty good as well. So that's that. Then moving on to the my second last primer is this one from Insight Cosmetics. This is said to be a dupe of Benefit Pore Freshness something something. So they do have couple of variants in the Insight Cosmetics. The green one is something that I've used it and finished it. I loved that primer, worked so beautifully on my skin type and skin concern. These are not silicone based primer. The green one felt so good. I've used it, but then later I thought, okay, let me try the white one also, but this sadly I didn't like it. ये अभी तक expired नहीं हुआ है. That's the reason probably I have not thrown it away, but I've never really reached out to it because this breaks me out, you guys. Let me give you a swatch of the texture, you guys. You guys can see like बहुत smooth लगता है, but the two main problem with this is it pills. So foundation ho, compact ho, jo bhi ho, the sunscreen also starts breaking underneath it, and this primer pills a lot. I think I have spoken about this in one of the product regrets video. The camera is able to pick up. You guys can see it started to ball up even now, and the makeup just breaks over it, and I also break out. So the couple of times that I've used it, I broke out like especially over my forehead. So just 10 ml quantity, very inexpensive. But the green one is very good. So if you guys want to really try out, you can totally try out the green one. I have not used the Benefit Professional one, so I don't know whether it's a dupe or what. But the green one is amazing. But this one sadly didn't work out. So if I have to rate it, I'm gonna rate 1.5 out of 5. Then moving on to the last but not the least, this one is from Renee, and this is the Bollywood filter. Yeah, this is the Bollywood filter primer, and this costs for around 450 rupees. It is slightly expensive. इतना offer भी नहीं मिला था मुझे इस पे. And love the packaging and everything. Love the texture as well. Look at it. I think it was said to be dupe of some high-end primer only. I don't remember. कितना beautiful texture hai. This is also sort of silicone based primer. See, I am a combination skin girly who has like a lot of textures going on, so for me silicone based primer in my makeup collection is must. But I sadly didn't use it that much. You guys can see I have gotten few usage. This has so much of fragrance, so that's the reason I didn't use this. Otherwise it's a very beautiful primer, works amazing for combination or textured skin. Oily skin also can use it. Even dry skin people can also use it because it's not mattifying. It is a silicone based primer which is going to fill out your pores so beautifully, but at the same time it's not going to cling onto your dry patches. Very beautiful primer. Like if I have to rate it only because of the features of the primer, I would rate a solid 4.8 out of 5. But for the fragrance, I'm gonna give a 3.5 out of 5 for this, because like isko open karte hi you are getting so much of floral. It is like a perfume in a tub. Why do you need so much of fragrance for a primer, you guys? And primer is something that you're going to apply first on your skin, so if you guys are sensitive to fragrance, this will definitely break you out. Let me give you a swatch here. Very beautiful primer, guys. Itna zyada, you guys can see it immediately blurs out your skin right here. Like बहुत ही ज़्यादा मस्त है. You guys, like a blur primer. It does not pill. It works beautiful, and the foundation also glides on it so nicely. But yeah, the fragrance is too much, and for someone who is like sensitive to fragrance will definitely break out with this primer. So that's the reason I didn't break out with this, but I felt my skin got irritated if I'm having an already irritated skin. So for that reason I couldn't reach out to it, but then later इसको फिर मैंने वैसे ही रख दिया. So that's all about the primers, and I think primer is an essential part of makeup because that's the first thing that you apply. I do not personally skip on primers, no matter how much less time I have. Even if I'm doing a no makeup look, primer is something that I do not skip at all. I hope you guys liked this video and found it helpful. I hope I helped you guys in picking up a primer for yourself. These are some of my favorite primers, you guys. I don't think I need to go ahead and venture into more primers. I think I have found my kind of primers which kind of deals with my concern. So like I'm fully satisfied when it comes to primer stash. And if you guys want to see more of my collection, makeup collection sort of a thing, let me know in the comment section what else should I review. I would definitely do it for you guys. So I shall see you in the next video. You guys take care. Ta-da. Bye bye.